Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your Android phone is frozen. Now, what does this mean? Well, pretty much your phone is just stuck, and no matter what you do, it is stuck in a frozen position. It's just not moving. So in this specific case, what you want to do, and the first thing I always try, is locating your power button on your phone. Now on this specific phone, the Pixel 5a, the power button is on the right side. So all I'll do in this case is just hold down the power button and just keep holding it down for about 10-20 seconds until your phone fully powers off. Some of these phones you don't really have to hold down any buttons or anything like that. The phone can end up just powering off by itself. And if you are able to get in this position where the phone powered off and you see the logo come back up, you want to let go of the power button. So in this case, you just want to let go of the power button, and you might see that the phone will go ahead and actually go ahead and just restart, and you can normally use the phone as you normally would. Now, most of the time, this will probably end up fixing it. Now, on some phones out there, depending on your specific Android phone, you may have to go ahead and tinker around with some of these settings. So in this case, if I were to go back into my, Pixel Launcher home screen, and let's say it were to be frozen on this display, and I'm holding the power button and nothing is working, another thing you can do is hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time. This is another thing you can do to go ahead and just see if the phone will go ahead and restart. Now, as you can see, the volume down button did not work, so maybe we can try the volume up button. The volume down button is usually for Samsung phones, so you can hold down both of these buttons, and you want to keep holding them down, and the phone can restart by itself as well. Now, you can see nothing is happening. I'm sure if I kept holding it down, something would happen, but most of the time, you can see it powered down, but I do prefer the power button method because it feels a little bit better, just feels a little bit faster overall, and that's usually what's going to happen for a majority of the phones. Now, you may get into this panel, all you have to do is go and click the power button. All you have to do is go and hold down the power button once more and just go and let it restart by itself too. If for some reason the power button holding that down doesn't work by itself, you can just go and hold down the power button and it'll go ahead and just get out of this panel as well. And so those are just a couple ways to go ahead and fix a frozen Android. You can also just let your Android phone sit there while it's frozen for maybe a couple hours, let the battery die, and then pretty much revive it that way as well. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.